Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima. Let's say you guys have a Kia Optima, you need to remove or replace downstream oxygen sensor, also known as bank 1 sensor 2 oxygen Lambda sensor. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located, what tools to use, because if you don't use the right tools, you can actually damage that sensor, you can damage the catalytic converter, and that can be expensive repair. And in addition, we'll also share which computer we use for diagnostics, because many of you request that information in the comment section below. All that will be covered in this video. This should actually work guys on Kia Optima generation 2010 to year 2016. Now, if you guys want to see where we buy all the tools, parts, anything that you need for your Kia Optima, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. We'll share everything guys there. Also, you can see where we get all our tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Something else guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything, and that's the plan on that Kia Optima as well. All the mechanical videos will be on this channel, and if you want to see videos about diagnostics, electronics, fixing electronic components guys, all that will be shared on our second channel. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, so check it out, it will be there. Now let's go ahead, continue and show you what we need to do. So this specifically guys is a 2013 Kia Optima that we'll be working on. Before we start, okay, let's explain a few things here guys. I'm going to remove that upper engine cover, and that will be the time to get stuck. So if you come guys on the front side of your engine, okay, right here you have the you can see that's the intake manifold. On the back side of your engine you have the exhaust manifold, and if you look at it guys, okay, that sensor, okay, right there, okay, that sensor that you see, that's the upstream oxygen sensor. This is known as bank 1 sensor, 1 oxygen sensor. The purpose of that sensor is very important. Practically guys, it reads how much air, okay, and fuel you still have left in the exhaust system of your car, and it's going to send all that information to the engine computer. From there it's going to calculate exactly, okay, what adjustment the engine needs so you meet emission standards, the car is efficient and it's powerful as well. So that's upstream oxygen sensor. Now before we get to the downstream, show you where it's located and how to remove and replace it, let me show you which computer we use for diagnostics. Maxicom right here guys, amazing computer. It works on almost any car you can think of. You can see Kia is right here. What we like about that too, okay, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from, but you can read and access codes for every computer system in your Kia, delete codes and see live data for every system, which makes it super powerful, and that can save you so much money guys, okay, for diagnostics. So check it out, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Now for the downstream oxygen sensor I need to go underneath, so bear with me guys. Okay, I'm gonna crawl here. Perfect. And we're going to follow the exhaust system of your Kia vehicle guys. And looking at it, this is, okay, the exhaust system. You can see the upstream oxygen sensor. Okay, here's the one, okay, right there. Now the downstream, you follow the catalytic converter, and usually the downstream is located on the catalytic converter or right after the catalytic converter, due to the fact that it detects if the catalytic converter is doing its job. This is the purpose of the second sensor, that's what it does guys. So how you guys remove and replace it, okay, pretty simple. First you need to get the connector loose. You're going to come up to here, press that thing here and disconnect it, okay, right there. Get it out of the holders, okay, and this is the sensor guys. Now how do you guys remove it? There is a special wrench actually, socket, this one right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. Without that thing you have really hard time removing it guys. Makes your life so much easier, okay, and it's not expensive, okay, it's not expensive at all. So okay, let me see, okay, perfect, it got loose. Now what we can do, we can just go ahead, okay, get it loose. You need to turn the cable at the wire at the same time, because otherwise you will not be able to remove it. And work on your car only when it's cold, because that thing will be extremely hot and you can severely burn yourself. So this is the sensor, okay, we got it out. Let me screw it out so I can show you guys about testing that sensor if you need to, okay, and find out, okay, how to figure it out if it's good or bad sensor guys. If you guys want to see how to test downstream oxygen sensor on a car, we have a special video that explains how to do that, so we'll definitely guys recommend to check it out. It's on our channel, how to test a downstream oxygen sensor. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.